fence post machine right now, and I make the video for you. This is the decoiler with disc brake. See how it works. This is the press on. Okay, and the coil material will be fed into the forming machine. Let's check the line. Somehow right now the shape of the post is good and the welding is very smooth. The welding seam is perfect. Let's see. And this is the cutting. Right now the linear speed, the line speed is about 2 meters per minute. This is the workpiece what we tested. And then let's check the welding seam. This is the sectional of the fence post. Okay. Again in the workshop. Right now we are just trial testing the fence post machine. And it's kind of the customized workpiece with welding process, with laser welding process online. The thickness of the sheet is 1.9 millimeter. And this is the machine. It's a flying cutting saw. And here is the profile. And this is the welding seam. It's made by laser welding. And then let's check the line. Here is the straightener. It's kind of 3 roller. Here is the forming rolling stand. In this place, we coupled with welding gun, or we call it like a welding torch. Is the welding, laser welding. The power is 3,000 watts. We made the welding torch supporter. And here is the welding forming step. This is kind of the customized profile. The application is used for fence post. Thickness is up to 1.9 millimeter. The material is galvanized. In this forming stands, we have combined the 28 rolling stations. And here is the decoiler. For this decoiler, we have combined the disc brake. So once the coil is unwinding, see how it works. It will make the unwinding more smooth. This is the press arm, and this is the completely line.